And the score coming on down. Little Miss Radioactive is going to be on 23. That's now coming on to the time is going to be 9 years old. Second up, Second amendment, Evo Overman, second ever show. Coming on. The second amendment, Mini Monster. Looking good so far. As he comes around, of course, getting some more good there.
Send it.
Let's see, getting ready. Send it.
Woo!
And just launching that Mini Monster. Second amendment. Evo versus Monaco. And coming around. Launching it. And there you Evo But your winner is the 638 champ. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. I'm going to pick up the home down here at the Medina County Fair. This is so exciting. Got a lot of family time there. Thank you, kids. Zach.